Good afternoon, Realtors. We've had a lot of questions lately about editing map pins in the MLS to make sure that they're accurate. This doesn't always automatically enter itself properly when you enter from the tax rolls, especially in San Bernardino County. So I'm going to show you a quick way to verify that you have the correct map pin. And you can do it right here in the MLS. You don't even have to go to another tab or look it up somewhere else. As long as you have your APN, which you should, you can go to the Add Edit, go to the listing that you want to modify. You also will have a pull down here where you can edit. I've just chosen a random MLS number from our association on Balboa. You can go here into the residential. You can also do this while you're entering the property. It doesn't have to, you don't have to go back in later and edit it. While you're entering it, you can do this when you edit the map pin. So click on Edit Map Pin. If you do locate by address, it'll usually give you a suggested one. This isn't always going to be accurate. In fact, if you don't have a street number, it'll just give you an area of suggestion, and you have to know which of these is the proper parcel. Now, in this case, here is the map pin, but if you're not sure which one of these on this block is the correct one, or if you have a general area that you're looking in, you can check your APN number and go here to Layers at the top, where it looks like three little squares stacked on top of each other. Click on that and scroll down to where it says Parcel Characteristics. Click on Parcel Characteristics and choose APN. And you can click on Layers again to make the menu go away. And this will show you all of the APNs of this property that are going to be available for you to set the map pin. And you can scroll throughout these. You can zoom in and find the correct one, place the map pin where it needs to be, and then hit done. Once you've done so, you can just save the MLS listing as typical by hitting Submit Listing, and that will update your map pin correctly according to where the APN is registered. If you have any questions about this, you can always give me a call at 760-365-1145 or text 760-820-7651, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have about this. As always, I'm here to help, and the CRMLS technical support is also available at 1-800-925-1525. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this helps. Bye.